movement for social justice is spreading, and it's getting very strong.
Harm reduction means recognizing that complete abstinence, perhaps, was too difficult a goal. Our women aren't stupid. They know. They've taken courses before. They've tried to get off welfare before.
One day Patsy came in and said, we can't go around for the rest of our lives, you know, hammering the same stuff about the women's movement because nobody is listening. They're not listening, and it's repetitive and it's boring. Just said, we're going to do theater.
There are women everywhere with fragments. When we learn to come together, we are whole.
Maybe there was a small stroke because, and they can't find any proof of that.
How has it been being used to having such like a strong voice?
You heard me yesterday whine. Oh yeah, I'm not a happy camper.
I want to be Pat Noonan
When you grow
I grow up.
But I said, of course you can. You know, people can understand you. People know who you are. You're still Pat Noonan.